What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to light candle like this with only one match. Have you ever experienced when you light the candle you need more than one match to light all these 3 candle burners? Alright, let's light the candle. And you have to be pretty fast because the match burns fast and at one point it starts burning fingers. Okay. I'm doing okay. Oh, it started burning my fingers now. You see, I was able to light the candle but barely made it because my fingers started burning. Well, let's apply this little trick and use spaghetti to light our candle. Well, let's check it out. I'm gonna take one spaghetti out like this and let's light it. It's easier to light the spaghetti once than candle 3 times, those little candle burners. Like this. See here? It's burning. And now we can easily light our candle. Look at that. See here? Look at this. Here we go. So we just used spaghetti to light the candle. Isn't it cool? I actually liked it a lot. Let's do it again. Let's light the spaghetti like that. Okay, I think it's burning. Yeah. I'm actually surprised that it's burning really well. Look at this. And the third one. Look at this. Oops. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.